It's amazing to hear them claim one thing when that is simply not the case. You had the entire healthcare system of Louisiana say to Speaker Mike Johnson, do not pass this bill or we are in danger.
That's exactly right. But what I've learned over the years in terms of this version of the Republican Party, as you've consistently and authentically pointed out, Roland, one, facts don't matter, right? They'll lie with impunity, and that's what they're doing right now. Hypocrisy is not a constraint to their behavior. They'll say one thing and then do the other. And of course, they've come to the conclusion in the Trump era that their shamelessness is like a superpower. But they miscalculated in this particular instance. We're less than 6 hours away from a government shutdown, and they assumed that Democrats were going to blink. But we made clear from the very beginning, we're in the midst of an unprecedented assault on the health care of everyday Americans, and we're not going to go along to get along. And the reality is, if they want Democratic votes in order to get legislation over the finish line, then of course it's reasonable to conclude that Democratic values should be reflected in that legislation. And we've made the point. Cancel the cuts, lower the costs, save health care. That's the line in the sand that we've drawn, fighting on behalf of the American people, because this Republican-created healthcare crisis is an assault on urban America, an assault on working class America, an assault on rural America, an assault on small town America, an assault on Black and brown communities all throughout America, and an assault on the heartland of America. And it's got to be reversed.
So you're going to deal with the reality that, I mean, look, they are already trying to blame an impending shutdown on Democrats.